Howdy, and welcome to another probably quick-ish video. The goal of this one is to give people a breakdown of the path I'm going and to ask some questions of you. The big question I have right now is, what is the best way to figure out what turbo serves your needs the best? Figure out, ask the question right out the gate. My goal is 350, maybe 400 horsepower. I will admit, I honestly have no clue. I've never driven any form of high horsepower vehicle. My FRS is the highest horsepower vehicle I've ever owned. To give you an idea, my goal is, I figure 350, 400, I mean, it depends on what I need to do to get the best drivability also. Because I know I'm taking a V8 and I'm slapping a turbo on it because I want to, and I'm going to learn how to drive it. So if anyone can link, like down below, any places to do good research, to read about, I don't expect people to tell me what to do, but some of you have already looked this stuff up or know good sources. So I'll appreciate any of that info. Now, with that said, the next thing I want to do is just quickly go over the core components of what are going to be this build. Odds are I'm still going to do all of them because I've already bought them. But if there's really a big reason not to use any of these pieces, then I'll reevaluate. With that said, let us dig into the stuff. Okay, to start with, I cannot remember who made this. Ace Race Parts. I bought a variety of these pieces for the turbo manifolds. I do not know the flange or the type I'm going to use. I figure during my research for what turbo I want to use, I'll figure out what flange at that point. So I didn't want to buy anything. So this is just everything that will come off of the OEM flanges or exhaust manifolds over there. I'm just reusing those. Yeah, just a variety of parts. I think I'm going to have to buy some more. So, because I don't think I got enough of a variety. But yeah, let's move on. Next up, I bought half this crap in like October, so I don't remember half of it. I have plugs. I think that this is for the coils. We'll find out shortly, but I bought coil on plug. And I have 4 here, and this is why you don't let the stuff set for that long. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is all for the coil on plug stuff. So, with that, let's see. Made in China, high quality tape. Oh, this is probably for the harness I'm going to have to build. Again, oh, wow. In the other video, I was trying to do powder coating. Would have been good to realize that, hey, I bought bigger powder coating or bigger tape for that. Okay, I'm an idiot. And yeah, that's just, yeah. Anyway, yeah, let me keep saying anyway. Okay, so I also bought injector plugs. You know, building a new harness, new injectors. Plugs might come in handy. Trust me, there's a few non-generic items coming up at some point. Oh, okay. Okay, here is the actual injectors I will be using, or hopefully. Huh. I don't think these are the ones I ordered before. And I might have to reorder. I was pretty sure I ordered the pink injectors. I'm going to have to look it up real quick. So these are RX-8 injectors. And I could have swore it was the pink ones that people, at least some people, had put into the 1UZ. You know, where it's like, hey, here's a lot more flow. So yeah, apparently these are yellow. I am going to have to look this up because something doesn't seem right. Not like there's anything I can do about it. I mean, as I said, I bought these back in like October. So yeah. Anyway, we will deal with that later. And I might be buying different injectors. Yeah. That's only if I can actually confirm, like, is that actually right and I'm just remembering incorrectly? But the next goodie for the coil and plug stuff is the actual coil. I'm hoping these are good, but anytime you see made in China, it could be good, could be bad. Who knows? When you buy it off of Amazon or eBay, it's a crapshoot. So here's the coils. Meant for some form of Volkswagen. Can't remember if it's the R8 or, well, it still might be meant for that. I am guessing, though. Whoops. So here's the coil. I am guessing I might have to figure out a different solution for this. It's probably been covered by other people. I will have to look into it. But these look good. So I will be happy with that. And I will... Okay, I've got 4 in here, and I've got 1 more box. And this time I will be smart and not waste your time opening a second box. It will just go off screen. The last thing we're going to worry about is the ECU. I will say, I had originally planned on going Megasquirt. The Megasquirt treated this car over here well before with the 3TC engine. I was going to just go Megasquirt 3 and go about my merry way. I'm comfortable with the software and I feel like I can get better. But I'm going to have to open the box a little more. I decided I wanted to try another one. You know, something that might have a little more support so I can maybe get this engine on a dyno and tuned besides just me street tuning it. Address, yada yada. Oh, you know, I should have probably looked at that. Anyway, what I have here is a Haltech. The proper description of this is Haltech Elite 2000 ECU and 8 feet premium universal wire-in kit plus 3-bar map. Yeah. So you've got, this is the one reason I kind of wanted it, is I wanted to try and limit some of my wiring issues, because one of the problems I had was the Megasquirt wiring box. That thing was horrible. I had issues with it, so I kind of wanted I don't know if half this crap is on the screen. So I wanted to use this as a base, and let's see what it all looks like. Here's a box. Let's see if I can actually open it or... Okay, I'm not going to try and open it right now. What there is to know, we have plugs that I will assume... I don't know what to assume. I'll figure it out later. Here's plugs. Those go to the ECU. I don't know what this goes to. But we've got lots of wires. So this will all get sorted out later. It's kind of fun to open stuff. It's like Christmas. And let's see what comes in this box for the Haltech. We have a USB cable. I will inquire as to why the hell they're still using a plug like that. I mean, USB-C or micro USB, whatever. But it's still common enough, so that'll be fine. We have a thumb drive for something. Guessing just for you to store your stuff if you don't have a thumb drive. And the big boy item, Haltech 2000. That's where you plug in the two things we discussed earlier. Guessing that's for the boost. I'm going to guess if I can ever open any of this. There we go. That's kind of a pain in the butt. So we've got that I don't completely understand, and I'll figure it out later. That plug for the harness has this exact same connector on it, I believe. But why? Oh, that's what manuals are for. USB plug-in, USB plug-in. Yeah, so you get a pretty little sticker and some other jazz. But that covers the direction or the overall goodies I'm going to do. Obviously, this build is not over the top. It's not like, hey, we're going to run everyone over. We're aiming for 5,000 horsepower. Let me get my fat ass up real quick. We are not aiming for big numbers. We're aiming for something that I can drive around and not kill myself. So, with that said, any advice on the power aspects, feel free to drop it. Turbo info, feel free to drop it. I'm learning as I go. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.